The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Excuse me. Good morning, guys. Very good morning, fellas. Today is Wednesday, October 26th. I am not feeling any better, but thank you for asking, guys. I will try to mute when I have to cough, which I have been doing all morning. So I'll apologize in advance. But in any event, as you guys know, I rarely miss work. Today is no exception. There's the 8 o'clock bell. I don't think I have COVID, Ray. I don't think so. I've had it twice, and I don't think I have it. Maybe. I don't know. Yesterday I had, we were in the room, and then yesterday afternoon, even worse, I had aches and chills, but those are gone. I'm now left with a fairly significant cough. In any event, neither here nor there. Does not stop us from the task at hand. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. For another handful of you folks, good morning, Kieran. For another handful of you folks, your trials will end today. I will send you out one last email today. If you guys joined us last week, Wednesday or Thursday, no one joined us on Friday. So if you joined us last week, Wednesday or Thursday, your trials end today. In any event, good morning. We have had very few trades this morning. No trades on natural gas. Nothing on gas. That's interesting. Crude, I do not run on inventory days, so I will not run the crude robot today. That'll leave us with NASDAQ, which is up small at this point. It's up $120. And the ES, which is up $662 currently. So we'll see what we get. It has been we opened futures gap down yesterday on misses by both Microsoft and Google. Microsoft currently off $15.50. Google down $6.63. NASDAQ futures off 194. ES futures off 28. YM basically flat, down 29 points. We may look at YM today. Boeing also missed this morning. EMD is up 10, Russell's up 11, gold is up $15. Silver, of course, is green, and crude is up almost $1, 96 cents. Natural gas off 13 ticks. Mixed red and green across the board. In any event, we're here. Let's quickly read the disclaimer. Take a look at what we have today. I have to find it, guys. There we go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Their refusal to take the COVID vaccination, they are to be immediately reinstated, given back pay, and New York State quoted, there is no evidence that the vaccine either prevents COVID or prevents the spread of COVID. And you know what we hear from Democrats? Nothing. 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 Where's Fauci? Nowhere. For those of you guys that do not know, I am not anti-vaccine. I am pro-choice. If you want it, get it. If you don't, don't. But don't tell me I have to put something in my body that nobody knows what the hell it is. Oh, you know what's even more mind-blowing than New York voters? Let them vote Democrat. Let them freaking vote Democrat. Let them. You know what's worse than that? Is Pennsylvania. I mean, how is Oz in a statistical dead heat with Fetterman? Has anybody here? Fetterman is just a complete and utter moron. He is seriously a moron. I mean, who is he appealing to? 21-year-old kids? Drugs? Yeah, we're not going to arrest anybody for drugs. Yeah, the problem with PA is Pittsburgh. I mean, much of that state is Republican, but Pittsburgh is. How was the debate, Brad? Train wreck for Fetterman? I mean, if that guy wins the election, I swear, I don't know where this country's headed. NASDAQ is coming down, guys. If you get the close below V, that moved too fast. I couldn't even get a trade on. Anybody catch that short? Target one on the NASDAQ, 89. 89. Excuse me. $84. Target one is 84. That unfinished auction at 84. Guys, I apologize in advance. I'll try to mute when I have to cough. But come on, NASDAQ. I would not let this go above 12. Maybe 13 quarter. 13 quarter. You dog. Seriously, rat dog. What's your indicator that got you in at 14? I don't short into VWAP. What's your indicator? Okay. Come on, NASDAQ. Get your keister down here. Guys, it should come down and get this unfinished auction at 84. All right, thank you, Earl. This thing just. We're eventually coming down. It's going to come get this auction. You guys, if you want to kill the trade, kill the trade. We're dancing around in a 5-6 handle range. Need that little swing. I cannot believe it came to 85 and left that unfinished auction. Natural gas getting a bid. Natural gas would be a 58.93 if you guys trade. Excuse me. 58.93. Gold just doesn't want to break down below VWAP. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Okay, Claudia. All right, guys. It should get that target. I'm really shocked we came within 4 ticks. It didn't go get that unfinished auction. All right. 68.1. Got to come back down through 69. Target 1 is 68.1. 71 stop. Got a 101 seller here. Tom. Oh my God, natural gas bot took a trade. We have a bot trade. Block seller here on the bottom. No sequential, but 7 sellers on the bottom. 68, 10, 12, still no sequential. 24, 6, no sequential. Come on. And those last 4 ticks. Five sellers on the bottom, which is I don't like, but we don't have a sequential decline. 11 sellers, 12, come on, 13, 20. That hit target and didn't fill. It hit it to the tick and didn't fill it. All right, I'm going to take 1 off here, guys. 1 is off. It hit target with 5 sellers on the bottom. 1 is off. Okay? Stop is even. This may be a nothing trade. All right, we got target on NASDAQ as well at 84. Finally got that target. So that was target 1 on the NASDAQ if you're holding NASDAQ. Now it's free. And on the 15-minute, NASDAQ had come into yesterday's low at 430. Well, for me on the ES, So I'm going to have about a 7 handle stop on this 30. 7 handles. Slow and slower, guys. Slow and slower. You've got an unfinished auction at 28 quarter. Okay, Ryan. My stop's going to be 38.75. Bot went long again on natural gas. That's the swing that's got to go 30. If you guys want a small first target, you can take that unfinished auction at 28 quarter. We're holding value area low down in here. Yes, correct, Hubba. Gold's got 24, 25 ticks in it. Anybody still holding gold? If we break down below 66, this could puke. We get that target, I believe. So what I'm going to do, if this trade triggers at 30, is I'm going to take first target at 28 quarter. Okay, 28 quarter. It's not much. It's a couple of handles. And then try to get the low of the day on the runner and potentially down to 38.20 on the runner. Okay? Good morning, Ozzy. All right, she still doesn't want to flop. We've pulled VWAP down. This could bounce. All right, I'll kill that trade, guys. Kill the ES trade for now. It's still your short. Morning, Dave. Come on, gold. Let's bottom out, baby. I need a 5-minute close below 66. Okay, Arjan. Gold is holding the bottom of the 10-minute cloud. What we need, I'll show you. What I need on this 10-minute is gold to break below 65.9, 66. And this thing could die. So this is a spot if you wanted to take your risk off. You can. If it breaks down below, she will probably come and give us that final target. It's breaking down. Yes, Paul. Wait, you're up 33 ticks. You don't. I mean, you can if I get a 10-minute close below. Yeah, FOMO is never good in trading, fellas. If you miss a trade, you miss a trade. I promise you, I'll find trades. I mean, we could come 1660 on the hourlies. Again, we're holding the bottom of the 10-minute cloud. We have a fairly significant positive delta. This could bounce back to 71, which is the top of the cloud. So if you want to take your risk off, take it off, which is what I'm going to do here. I'm flat. I'm flat. Okay? This is 58.94 goes. This can go back to 59.33. This can get all three targets if it gets above 94. So it's got to break through that that first target, and this can go a long way up. Bond yields reversing again. All right, natural gas got target. Natural gas got target 1. All right, Paul. Nicely green. Taking your dough and running. Very nice. Very nice. Natural gas is long on order flow as well. Target one at 952. It's a fairly big stop though, fellas. 952, 950 is stop, but it's a big stop. So if you guys are not into, it's about a 50 tick stop. Above 942, natural gas goes back to $6.06. Maybe an easier trade. Above 942, 59.42. For those of you that are a little more risk averse. Gold still looks to me like it's going to break down, but I don't have a trade. Bond yields coming lower. Guys, as I do every day, I'll take my 9 o'clock breakfast break. Does anyone have any questions? First target only has first target here on the long. I was trying to get, second and third targets. ES is in the middle of nowhere. Anybody have any questions, fellas? Anything at all? Still have about 10, 11 minutes. Here's yesterday's low on NASDAQ. NASDAQ, ES actually, you can cancel that. ES actually looks like it's trying to go long. All right, ES spot is long. We're long on the ES spot. Target 1 hit and filled. Target 2 hit and filled. ES spot's now up $1,150. Looks like we're going to get to 50 on the ES. Damn. Didn't see that coming. NASDAQ, if we get above VWAP, you want to be long. All right, guys, above 50, I will be long 55 on the ES. I will be long 55 on the ES if we get above 50. Okay? So 55 is the entry. Long. We're going to try to trade that then to 75 target 1. If it doesn't get there, it doesn't get there. No harm, no foul. NASDAQ, I would be long on a candle close above VWAP with a target at about 500, which is where we broke down from. Crude's getting a bid, but again, it's inventory day, so I rarely pay attention to it. Natty Gas looks like it wants to blow up. No trades on the NASDAQ bot, nothing more on the Russell bot. Crude bot is off for the day. There is no trading for me in crude on inventory day. Guys, we are essentially trading in a 15 handle range on the ES between 35 and 50. Thank you, Earl. Here come buyers, guys. NASDAQ just shorted on the bot. Target 1 filled. Break even didn't tag. Should have been at break even, guys. Excuse me. All right, we've got a Russell bot trade. Long. NASDAQ, I want above VWAP, guys. No, I'm not. You can try it maybe in here at 80. My preference is above VWAP. Come on, Russell. Go get those 20 ticks. Let's go. Target 1 filled, Russell. Target 2 filled, Russell. You can try NASDAQ long if you guys want right here at 80. There it goes. Come on. I'll wait until we get above VWAP. I want to be above 97. Full candle close. Not yet. Not yet. There it is. Yeah. Come on. Target number 1, maybe 07. Come on, yes. Need help. A little bit of resistance here, guys, with VWAP and the bottom of the 10-minute cloud. But if it pushes up here, this can go all the way to 525 pretty quickly. We get one more candle in here and it's going. Come on, get over 500. We're struggling at the whole number. It's the bottom of the 10-minute cloud. Come on. Let's go, dude. Come on, big guy. Target filled. Target filled. So now I want to trade this to 25, 26, ideally. No other bot trades, fellas. Nothing. Gonna have to get up above now 10, 11. 10, 11 does it. Holding support now. All right, guys, I'm gonna kill this last contract out. Should have had 2 on anyways, not 3, but all right, out on the Russell runner. 2 out of 3 contracts on the RTY. We're wedged between 430 and 500, basically 510. Canceled that on the ES. NASDAQ's going to probably come back down to 450 is what it looks like it's trying to do. Again, if we get over VWAP, I'm long again. ES at 30, I'm short. ES at 55, I'm long. Aside from that, I'm staying out of the slop. There's a NASDAQ bot trade. Target 1 filled. Target 2 filled. NASDAQ's up 750. ES up 1150. You guys decide if you want to continue to trade them. Russell up 335. Natty gas down a bit, but it's one trade from excuse me. Everybody good? Guys, everybody good? Fellas, $1,000 banana. Take one off at 25. Free trade here for wherever it goes. 55 on the ES long. 55 ES long. You guys should be rolling in dough unless you are not taking trades or scared to death. Back test the breakout at 10. We stopped at the top of the 10-minute cloud. My final target is 545. 545. That's my final target. Doesn't mean we get there, but that's where I'm shooting for. Hey, Deepak, are you in the room? Deepak, are you in the room? I made a few changes here. I went to regular candles. I can't follow that. I can't follow bar candles. I can't stand them. Okay. News at 10. What do we have at 10? Canadian bank interest rate hike? Who gives a shit? September home sales? It's a miss. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. If you guys want to take your risk off ahead of the Bank of Canada interest rate decision, have at it. Or if you think somehow the new home sales, which I guarantee is a miss, is going to somehow affect your trade, take it off. Take it off. For me, it doesn't matter. What I will do is put my stop at break even, though. That I will do. Stops at even. Hey, Ray. Yeah, call it like I see it, man. Call it like I see it. I don't think Bank of Canada has any effect on us. I could be dead wrong. They raise 10 basis points and we probably sell off hard. If you guys want your profit on the runner, take it. All right, guys, I'm out. Out ski. Fine by me. So if this, all right, I'm out. I'm out, guys. I'm out. This may hold. Neither here nor there. I'm out. Okay. You guys will notice, and I'm not suggesting this, I do not use an ATM. Whether I'm trading on, whether I'm was going long. Target is 7.5. Can always trade as you see fit, but next level up is 7.5. Let's see if I can get in this sucker. I don't think so. Maybe. So now they'll speculate. Where the hell are we? We're at 49. Disregard my chart. Now they'll speculate that ours, our rates may not be as we're hanging in there, guys, at 52.53. The hell happened? That's not what I wanted. Guys, disregard my chart. Disregard. We're not at 48. We're at 50, 50, 51, 50, 51. Come on, break up, you rat bag. Disregard this chart. It's not, yeah, my ES is lagging. 52, 53. We're at 52, 53. I'm watching it on here. Screw Ninja. Piece of shit. We're at 52.75. You know, unfortunate. This is why I don't trade. I've said this to you guys before. This is why I do not trade my cash account on Ninja. I can't. I don't trust the platform. I chart on TradeStation. I don't trade on TradeStation. Both targets filled. Here we go, guys. We got to get this double top out of here. We need a new day high, or else you're going to have to take the trade off. If we break out, you're going to see buyers come in. We're pulling the 95 higher up. I do not like that. I'm on the close, guys. Yes, initially on the 3 minute has to get above 57. Come on, you're through, you dog. Let's go. Pump up the jam. I don't like that. Look at the tops of your candles, right? For those of you guys in order flow. We have 61 buyers here, 12 buyers here, and 10 on a one tick lower high. There we go. 1,000 buyers now in this candle. Come on, this should rip. Big offers here at 65. My first target, guys, ideally I get one off about 72, 70, 73. Got to get above 63. We only put in a handle higher, which is a little bearish. It didn't keep going. We lost 500 buyers in the candle. Sellers have come in. Yesterday's close was 38.70 and yesterday's high was 74. We should get 70. I would think this trades up into yesterday's close. But trade them as you see fit. You have 5-6 handles in this. $300 a contract. Still pulling that 95 higher up. Just be prepared to close your trade, guys. I don't like this. Unless we break out cleanly above the 66. This area in here. Above 66, we'll trade to yesterday's close at 70. All right, I'm out of this trade. I'm flat. I'm flat. I'm flat. I am flat. We're going to get a pullback. I'm flat, guys. There we go. 63, 60. Anybody still holding ES? Anybody still holding? Guys? Anybody still? Okay. You guys that are, I don't care if you are, you aren't. If you aren't. 70 target one, yesterday's close. Target one hit on natural gas. I am out. I am out of ES. Guys, you have to pay attention. I told you when I closed it. I was in at 55. I closed it at 59. Oh, yes, still in. I'm sorry. I thought that said, are you still in? My apologies. That's going to be target one only on natural gas, guys. It's your Irish accent. Guys, I just want to, all right, there is your target one on ES. You've got target one on ES, 70 from 55, 15 handles. We could pull back here. Again, we could pull back to 38.50. That would be support now. If we can get above 38.75, we go 30. Hang on, guys. We go 3,900. Natural gas has a shot. We have bid in the grains, soybeans, wheat, and corn. Any questions, fellas? Any questions from those of you whose trials end today? Guys, if you guys are in the afternoon session, most of you should be in the room. If you're in the afternoon session and you do not wish to be in the afternoon session for November, will you kindly let me know? Because that'll be invoiced on Friday. So if you guys, ES spot finished up 1287.50. No trades in crude. I don't run it on Wednesday. Tomorrow I will not run natural gas. NASDAQ bot finished up 1440. Russell bot finished up 335. And the only one that was down, thank you, Shatan. Appreciate that. I'll be fine, guys. If I'm alive, I'm working. We'll be fine. And natural gas finished down 770 on the day. So it's possible this gets a trade into the close, but I don't think so. Bot's off in 12 minutes. So those are our totals, guys. Okay? For those of you that are on trial, thank you, Tom. Thank you, Becky. For those of you that are on trial, hang on, guys, 1 second. Sorry about that, fellas.